Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for clicking play. Today we are doing an unboxing of the BCAN Rebounder Trampoline, mini trampoline. The 48-inch, and I got it in green. So I've never assembled one of these before, so this should be interesting. This is what came out of the box. This is the handle, the T-bar. These are the tools, legs, mat. Comes somewhat pre-assembled. We have to put on the bungees, which are here. We're going to unfold it and put it together. So it comes with instructions. One person can do it, but I'm going to bring in some muscle to give me a hand. Once the trampoline is flattened, use the 2 secure pins to lock it in place. Use the triangle tool to install each of the bungees. Installing the legs is quick and easy to do. With the help of my husband, that took about 10 minutes. We're going to get on it right now and check it out. It looks steady. It looks good. It's really, really wide. And there is a T-bar here that would go up on the front. If you have some stability issues, I will be putting that on during one of my videos, so check out for that. Here it goes. Very solid bounce. Really quiet. Really quiet. Wow. I'm actually extremely impressed with how quiet it is. Some of the other rebounders, you can hear the bounce, you can hear the bungees. And these are super, super quiet. Wow. I'm actually extremely impressed. It's a great bounce. It's firm. I feel safe. It's steady. There's no wobbling whatsoever. I'm really excited to start filming some videos for you guys. Please come back and check. Videos are going to be coming up very, very soon. This is an extremely affordable, really good quality rebounder by BCAN. I highly recommend it. Can't wait to work out. I'm super excited. Very stoked. Thanks for joining me in this quick unboxing video. Thank you to my husband for helping me out. And let's get bouncing.